Okay.
So here, this is just a base scene I have created. You can see my computer screen now.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So if I go to my perspective view, this is just one SDRI map light. Sorry, dome light is there, which SDRI map is assigned,
Okay.
and V-Ray camera is there,
Okay.
and my model where I will apply the material.
Fine.
Okay, like chrome material and on, so that we can see the material.
Okay.
So let's see for a glass. Okay, let's see. We will try to see over here
Okay.
glass material, and then we will apply the same thing on our project here.
Okay.
Okay. Of have you tried glass material by yourself? Like you know something about glass material?
I know something about the glass material, sir. But as a professional way, I don't know. How much should be the reflection value? How much should be the whether the personal reflection should be on or off? Those things I don't
Okay, I will tell you from the basic, and
know.
then we'll
Okay.
go for a little advanced level on that as
Fine.
well.
Fine. Sir.
Okay, no problem. So I quickly start my material editor,
Okay.
and what I will do, I will select a new slot over here, create new view,
Okay.
and I will just write glass material MTL. This will be our glass material.
Okay.
Okay. So we will quickly take V-Ray material. And this will be my base one, so I will not touch this. I will make a
Okay.
copy of it.
Okay.
Like makes a simple glass or white glass, you can say.
Okay.
So just apply the my basic material to
Material.
my object.
Okay.
Okay. uh, if you make a transparent glass, that time also its own color will value will not be there, so I will make it black.
Okay.
Reflection will make about to 95-98%.
Okay.
Glass will be very reflective.
Okay.
This time we will not do anything with Fresnel. This time
Okay.
we will do the refraction thing. No, the
Okay.
light should pass through my object.
Okay.
How much it should pass through? The more it be white, the more it will be transparent. No,
Okay.
the more toward the black, the more it will be opaque. Means
Okay.
semi-transparent.
Okay.
Half it will block the light like that. No, so
Okay.
I want let's make simple glass. Let's make it 95-98% transparent.
Okay.
You can see on preview also it's simple white glass, no.
Okay.
And let's see on our render from camera view what we are getting over
Okay.
here. Okay, this is the result which we are getting. Simple white glass. You can see the computer screen, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, simple white glass we have with the transparency.
Okay.
So little bit about the feature over here. Reflection, it will reflect the outside surface. The
Okay.
surface will be reflective.
Okay.
Reflection, how much light will go inside your glass.
Fine.
Okay. In our cases, this is a 3D model, maybe for interior suppose. And
Okay.
in our cases, our glasses like is straight, no flat kind of
Yeah.
glasses we
Yes. Yes. Correct.
usually have. So
Okay.
let's create some flat things like a window glass.
Okay.
So we will create a box over here. Just aside this. Let's move this one. F4. Keep it this aside. Same glass I will apply over here. Let's see what result we are getting over here.
Okay.
This is the glass. It is so transparent that it not able to find out only. This is, it
Fine.
is here over here,
Okay.
not able to see only. Let's change the property a bit.
Okay.
Okay, now you can make out. No, this is the glass thing.
Yes.
So it is so transparent. It is going through it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's make some colorful glass so that we
Yeah.
can make out the which color it is, like there's glass there or not. It is so transparent, no?
Okay.
One thing more, glass has its index value, index of reflection.
Okay.
Okay, index of reflection means when the light goes, it try to bend down. Okay, it will not be straight, it will be bent. So the more it will bend, the more it will be. Let's see what it happens. Now let's do it.
Okay.
We try to change the value over here. Actually, you might have noticing that the shading property is changing over here,
Yes.
going dark and going brighter.
Yes.
When the light goes, it changes.
Okay.
It will work better with our this glass also. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's consider if we can see something on this glass. IUR of different glasses is different, like it's metal also.
Okay.
Before I think 1.6 was there before.
Okay.
1.6. Okay, suppose we increase to 5.
Okay.
So you see, like here you can see the difference. What the difference is coming over here, no?
Okay.
When the light goes inside the glass,
Okay.
the outside environment will somewhat get distorted. You will
Okay.
sometimes you see more of the outside environment, sometimes you see less of the environment.
Fine.
So in what I'm trying to say, in your exterior also, when you are not able to see the glass properly, the environment thing on your glass,
Okay.
little bit of adjustment you can do on IOR.
Okay.
By default it's 1.6. You see
Okay.
here the reflection is not proper over here.
Proper. Fine.
But when I change it to, I'm taking a higher value, you can
Okay.
see, I can see more of the
More
reflection
than
from
correct.
outside, no?
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's how the light bends, and you can see more of the reflection thing because of the IOR.
Okay.
So let's take the default one only.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, so this is I will stop my render over here.
Okay.
So this is plain white glass,
Okay.
and reflection over here, value glossiness work the same way, whether it's a
With the
pure,
metal.
like it is a blurry kind of surface or it is a polished surface.
Fine.
Okay, so same thing goes over here also. If I change glossiness to a lesser value,
Okay.
you see over here the glass will be very blurry kind of glass.
Okay.
You see the surface like frosted glass kind of effect you will get over here.
Okay.
Now most of the cases people used to say we need some frosted glass.
Okay.
It should not be visible what is outside on the
Okay.
what is inside the cabin or something.
Okay.
So you can reduce the this glossiness to get those frosted effect.
Okay. So if we reduce the refraction value, increase the refraction value, then again it will not work as a frosted glass.
Let's try to, yeah, that also, because refraction is the amount of light.
Amount of light we can allow, we can pass
Yes,
through.
yes, we can less the amount of light. Let's see, let's glossiness make it to 1, so that full proper will be the glossiness. And here also you want us to this one color reflection, you want to say?
Yeah, we can reduce, yes, so that it block the light to pass.
No, it will make it the glass more darker.
It will make it darker, right? Okay.
The original color will going to appear. You see the black diffuse color?
Yes, yes, yes.
This is going to appear. If I change, let's do one thing now. I change this color to somewhat like green. You see that green color is appearing. Why?
Okay.
Because now the refraction value is very less.
Okay.
So it is not allowing the light to go properly through the object.
Okay.
So what happened? The color of the object is coming over on the surface. Now people can see the color.
Okay.
So we don't want those color. We
So,
want yeah. If you want colorful glass, I will tell you how to get a colorful one. Okay.
okay, sir.
But make sure diffuse. Don't give any color over here. Make it black only.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
So and for frosted, don't you change the reflection to darker, because it will not look this blurry effect. It will more give semi-transparent glass.
fine, sir.
Okay. So
So
I will
only controlled by glossiness.
yes, only here glossiness. It give
Okay,
you a better result. And I
fine.
think glossiness for the reflection also help you. Let's
Okay,
try to give 0.5. See over here.
okay,
This is also going to give you a frosted effect.
fine, sir. Fine.
Okay. When
Okay,
the light going inside, or what the quality of the light is handed is very smooth or
okay,
very rough. So if you
okay,
reduce, you will see this kind of effect. No,
fine,
it's
fine.
going more blur,
Okay,
like more frosted.
okay,
Same thing, glossiness overdoes. Same thing with reflection also.
fine.
1 second. Okay, before scan. This is just for the reflection.
Okay,
Okay, for frosted, I think you go for the glossiness of refraction only. Okay,
okay, okay.
let's let's reduce this. This will give a more better result. You see,
Good.
the
Yes,
gloss
yes, yes, yes.
frosted effect you get more better over here.
Okay,
Refraction
okay,
0.8, more like a frosted glass over here. Okay.
okay.
Any question? Anything till now?
No problem, sir. Now we can give a noise to that material, glass material.
Yes, of course we give. Of course we have noise. Anytime
Okay,
you can give, whether in reflection you can give noise, or
okay,
refraction value you can give noise.
okay.
But you want to give noise to make the glass what the surface little smooth. What is the main?
We can see some frosted glasses with uneven surfaces.
Yeah, that is, see, that is something you get from the glossiness here itself.
Okay,
That will be, I think, enough to make glossiness if the frosted glass effect.
fine, sir.
From here you can get it. Okay. Now let's make some colorful glasses. Okay.
Fine, fine.
Why this is coming like this? Still, reflection value is good. Yes, I may give one. This reflection is 1 point. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it's not updating or something. My Max file.
Okay,
Anyways, so this is the base pure white glass we got. Now
okay,
let's make some colorful glass.
okay.
Okay, generally on windows we give little bluish or little greenish kind of, so that
Yes,
it look like a glass, no?
yes, 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 yes.
Otherwise it's pure white, then nobody able to notice also
Correct, correct,
that there is a glass or not.
correct.
So let's change the name, maybe right color glass.
Okay,
Okay, there are two way you can give color. Either both the way are okay, depend upon your experience and your compatibility, how comfort you are. I will
okay,
show you both the step.
okay,
First, to make color or to add some color on your glass, you can go to refraction. Refraction, when the light enters any solid object.
okay,
So what the density of the solid object, it is
okay,
colorful or not, you can change the refraction value from here.
okay.
Suppose I will change little bit blue. You see the color
Yes,
changes over here, no?
okay,
Let's render and see what result I'm getting. Just change to white. You see little bit blue tint is there. You
Okay.
see this is not updating. You see reflection, I made it white but it is still blue.
Yes, yes.
So I don't know, some problem is happening with this thing.
Okay.
You see, I change my color to white, it should come white, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Update preview. You see, when I'm right click and updating, then it's coming to white.
Fine.
So don't worry, as my system is thing. What I'm doing, just focus on the steps, okay?
Okay.
So to make color, this is the first way. Just go to reflection. When the light enters the object, it's on change color to this one.
Okay.
So whatever color you will choose, your glass will be like that color.
Fine.
Okay, it will work absolutely fine.
Okay.
Okay. Now second step. Let me make a copy of this, and here I will make refraction white.
White. Okay.
I get this pure glass. Okay. Oh, it happens because this new material I haven't applied to my object. No, I was applied this one simple.
Hold on. Fine, fine.
Yes, I didn't apply the new one because I have changed the material. No, let's apply this one. Let's see. It should come. You see?
Yes, sir.
Now we are getting little colorful glass over here, no? Because we have not applied new material. That's why I'm not able to make out.
Fine.
Before it was white, now little bit green color is there.
Okay.
Okay. Now second method of make a colorful glass is with the help of the fog.
Okay.
As the fog suggested the name that there should be some density.
Okay.
Now how dense is your glass is.
Okay.
So by default it comes white.
Okay.
If you want it to be different color, just change the color from here.
Okay.
Let's take blue this time. You see, it is looking like a more thick kind of glass, no? Very thick.
Okay.
Very less light is passing through this glass.
Okay.
Let's apply this and then we will make some changes on the parameter of fog.
Okay.
So I select both the object over here and let's apply this. Apply and so, and then quick render. You see over here, it look like a very thick kind of glass over here, no?
Yeah, correct.
You can see the reflection, but when light goes inside the this object, you're not able to see the other side, no?
Yes, sir.
Now how to make it a thin glass, because it should not like this, no? My glass should not be like this much of thickness.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, to reduce the thickness or the fog or density, there is an option called fog multiplier.
Okay.
The more it will be like 1, the more it will be thicker. The lesser it will be, the more light it allows to enter the object.
Fine.
So let's from 1 we change to 0.5.
Okay.
I think I have to update. It should automatically update. It's not updating. You see, this is now little bit lighter color, no?
Yeah.
Let's reduce some more. 0.1. Now it's updating. You see over here,
Okay.
and even on my render window, you can see it is
Correct.
now allowing more lights to go through my object, and the color is becoming more lighter.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are the basic property of lighting.
Okay.
Any question till now? Sorry, lighting. I said glass
Sir,
material.
which is better? Refract is better or fog color is better always?
Actually, what happened now? Most of my scene I use fog color.
Okay.
Most of the projects which I made, I use fog color.
Okay.
So I get a more better result.
Okay.
But you see, if fog color don't help you to get the better results, you can switch to this refraction color as well. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Depend upon your scene, depend upon your lighting. I have shown you both the steps. Both will work absolutely fine.
Okay.
For me, for my lighting style, I use fog color more frequently.
Fine. Okay.
So it depends.
Right. Right.
Okay, so this much only I have to explain in glasses.
Okay.
So what I want you to try this. Try to make at least one colorful glass. Can you do it for me?
Yeah, I should know. Sure, plan.
Just do it by yourself. I would like to see your work. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just I will see your computer screen. Yes, do this. Just create material, not able to apply any on any
No, no,
object.
I will only create it.
Yeah, just create a material and keep there. On thumbnail only I can see the preview of the glass. Yes. What I suggest first, wait, listen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
First, start with the basic things. First, make a transparent glass because your reflection value is still black. I think your reflection value is also yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
The first start with the first two steps. Yes, like your diffuse is okay, reflection is fine. Reflection gives reflection value. First,
Sir,
make it.
I've
Yeah.
given reflection value.
Yes, that's correct. That is okay.
Okay.
Reflection now come down to refraction.
Okay. I have to reduce the refraction value.
Yes, yes. First, make it transparent glass. White transparent it will be as of now. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Nice. Now give any color.
Okay.
Now you got a white, pure white glass. Yes. Nice, nice. Yeah. I think open. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Fine, 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 fine. Generally, fog multiplier keep 0.1, 0.2. That will be enough. 0.1, 0.2 will give you a much better result. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Absolutely right. Yes.
Fine.
Uh, and a little bit frosted glass. Can I have
Okay.
a
Yeah,
little
sure,
bit
sir.
of frosted? It should
So
not be.
I will do in this. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I don't want anybody to know what is going inside. So
Right.
glass will be little frosted. It may not be come on preview over here, but it's okay. It's okay. You're doing good.
Okay. So this value
Glossy.
I have reduced. Refraction
Glossy.
glossiness value I have reduced it.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
make
yes,
it
yes.
0.7.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay, sir.
Yes, correct, correct. That's
So,
okay. That's okay. Fine, fine.
right.
Absolutely fine.
Right.
Mm, Composite. One question you have asked yesterday, now how to fake reflection. If
Yes. Yes.
suppose,
Yes. Yes.
I'm not getting any reflection over here.
Okay.
Suppose I'm not getting any kind of environment reflection. How to fake reflection of maybe surrounding areas on my
Okay.
object.
Okay.
Uh, that I gonna show you some steps
Okay.
about it's about very material. This combination. I think it's what the name is. Composite material. Actually, I forgot the name. Composite material.
Okay.
We'll do composite material, and with the help of composite material, you can make n number of effects.
Okay.
Like you can make semi this frosted effect also. You see some of the offices you have some semi frosted, no, some
Okay.
design is there on the glass,
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
some design which is frosted and other side is it's not it's pure.
Okay.
So those kind of effect also you can make with the help of this composite. You can fake reflection on the help of composite, and
Hello.
today, yeah, I can hear you. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Yes, yes, yes. So we are talking about how to mix 2 3 images and create different result, no, different effects. So
Okay.
your question also be solved on that parameter only. When we will discuss the composite,
Okay.
you can create multiple things by combining 2 3 images.
Fine, sir.
So the folder that I have shared with you, no,
Okay.
the texture if you have downloaded that, you just
I have done. I downloaded.
yes, you see we have a number of texture there, black and white
Okay.
textures.
Okay.
This actually for the road purpose I have just google it out and I have downloaded few
Okay.
road texture. This is the main road texture,
Okay.
and these are the dust, and if you zoom and see, these are the cracks we
Okay.
can apply on our road.
Mm.
Okay, and these are the dust, the pores and holes we can create.
Okay.
So we will first do it for the road, make it
Okay.
a very simple thing,
Okay.
a simple road with
Okay.
cracks on it.
Okay.
And same method we can apply to make frosted and semi-frosted glass for
Okay.
fake reflection. We see how we can do this.
Fine, sir.
First start with very simple thing, no? So what I will do, uh, this we can do it on our main scene because it's not a material,
Okay.
it's just a texture, so you able to see over here itself.
Okay.
If not, then we will try to do over here. I think I will
Okay. Fine.
stop this. Okay, we'll try to make on our main scene.
Okay.
So I will try to isolate this so that we can focus only on the road portion. No,
Fine.
this is going to be our road.
Okay.
I will start my material editor over here. I will take a new
Okay.
slot. This will be my road. Let's take as road only.
Okay.
Okay. Video material. I'll create a new one, and I will take all my textures. I will bring all my textures over here.
Okay.
We're gonna use this. Uh, which one this one is left. Okay. We will try to use one by one as many as these cracks and all. Okay.
Okay.
We'll just bring one material over here and write the name as my road
Okay.
texture or road material. I will apply this and then apply and so. Okay, simple.
Okay.
Now let's bring my the basic one, the road map. Let me see.
Okay.
This is the road texture, no, concrete. This road.
Okay.
Okay. This I will apply on diffuse. Let's take UV. Okay, this much is okay for me. I'm happy
Okay.
with this
O-
UV. Okay, I'll
Okay.
click outside. So this is a normal, like a very clean road. There is no
Okay.
bump. There's no cracks. Okay, simple
Okay.
road we got. Okay, over here. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will take help of this composite material over here.
Okay.
Composite. Now we will try to create some effects. You know about composite material? Have you worked before?
No, I have not. No, I have not
No,
told.
no. Okay, little bit about composite. What happened if you double click on composite material, right side you see it has some properties. I will explain a
Okay.
little bit about it.
Okay.
Composite, how it work? It work by layers.
Okay.
Like in Photoshop, now you have seen the layers 1, 2,
Correct.
3, 4. The
Correct.
above one will be visible and bottom will be not visible, no? Because
Okay.
this is the second layer is on top of the first base layer.
Okay.
So to make visible, either you can use mask, there is an option, you can use mask like masking we do in Photoshop also.
Okay.
Okay, same thing here also we can do masking,
Okay.
or we can change the blending mode. No, in Photoshop also we have some blending modes where both the texture will be reacting to one another, no,
Okay.
on the basis of blending mode. Same
Okay.
thing we can do over here also.
Okay.
So how this gonna help us? So what I will do, I will use this basic road texture for my base, and
Okay.
on top of this I'm going to use this dot map kind of effect on top
Okay.
of my road. and
Okay.
and we have some blending mode, we can change blending mode
Okay.
to get the effect, and
Okay.
as well we can use the mask also,
Okay.
both we can use
Okay.
to get those, rough road, kind of broken road, or the crack on the road.
Okay.
So that is the main concept we are going to do. Let's
Okay.
do this. Okay.
Okay.
So first, this will, so we come to composite, and this will going to be my first layer.
Okay.
Not sorry, this, I think this is, it's work with the map. I'm doing
Okay.
it, and this will go to diffuse. Array, yeah, nice work. Okay, a little bit of adjustment so that I can see my road properly.
Okay.
So it worked like this. Composite should come over here,
Okay.
and it worked directly with the bitmap.
Okay.
Clear so far?
Clear. Clear.
Clear, no? Nothing
Clear.
advanced I went. I
Okay.
just applied the composite material some in between
Okay.
to my main material, no? And I
Okay.
use my one texture for
Okay.
the first layer.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will start with a very basic thing. What I will do,
Hmm.
I will try to change the little bit of color of the grains over here.
Okay.
So what I will do, I will take a copy of it,
Okay.
apply this color correction.
Okay.
You can make directly from here as well.
Okay.
So I'm doing this way, and I will apply on layer 2.
Okay.
Wait, it's reading. Yeah. And now little bit what I will do, I will just double click over here, and I will dark this this texture, this one, this
Okay.
road texture. No,
Okay.
I will go to advance.
Okay.
It's not coming. Okay. Here contract gamma value I just decrease a bit, maybe 0.6 I will take.
Okay.
Actually some problem with my hardware, it's Max is getting some problem. See, it's getting delay in updating.
Okay.
Okay, so see, I have the basic layer in a composite. If I go to my composite, the basic layer is the brighter one, no, which is not able to see. I can see the darker one right now.
Okay.
Okay, now to create interesting, to make it more interesting, we will use a mask over here.
Okay.
We use a noise mask. You see this noise value, bright and dark over here.
Okay.
So it will help me to create a very interesting pattern over here
Okay.
of bright and dark road color, because road, it happens sometimes it is little darker
Yes.
somewhere, and somewhere it is little brighter. Wait,
Correct. Correct.
actually you see over here the patches is coming, no,
Yes. Yes.
somewhere it is little darker, somewhere it is little brighter,
Okay.
and then you can increase and decrease the noise amount over here, the size,
Okay.
to create interesting pattern. Oh, wait, my system is hanging. I don't know why it is not working properly. Yeah, okay, it's coming now. So this is the basic thing I did. Just did a masking of my node, so that
Okay.
some portion it will be more darker road, some portion it will be more lighter road. So
Okay.
uneven kind of this
Perfect.
texture will be there.
Okay.
Now let's apply one or two more layers over here. Just double click on composite,
Okay.
and over here, just over my right, you see an icon is there to create new layer. I will
Okay.
create one more layer over here.
Okay.
I think I need to close the another one. Should not do like this. I'm just closing this one now.
Fine.
Yes. Let's work on only one max file.
Okay.
Okay, I bought a new this layer, and this
Okay.
time let's take which one I should take. Let's take this one, scratches and all, no, this one.
Okay.
So I will get this scratches effect, and I will apply this on my third layer.
Totally. Okay.
As you can see, this is my the topmost layer, so
Okay.
it is overriding all my bottom layers, no.
Okay.
So this time we are not going to do the masking thing. This time we will change the
Blend
this
one.
blending mode. We try to change the blending mode
Okay.
from the normal over here. We take maybe subtract. You need to see which one is giving you more better result.
Okay.
This is taking some time to update. See, it's not doing well. Let's take something else. Maybe average. Okay, but this is the pattern is very big.
Okay.
Maybe I'll try to scale the pattern.
Okay.
Just double click over here, and there is some styling over here. You can make the tiling, adjust the tiling from here.
Okay.
See, I'm trying to use the real world scale. No, sorry, not a bit. Yeah, and this, not this one. Okay, just increase the tiling over here. Let's take
Okay.
5. I think system is not able to work properly. No, it's not working properly. I think I need to reduce the tiling. If I increase the tiling, it is coming like that.
Right, sir. You can reduce the tiling.
I have to reduce the tiling. I give 0.25, but think it's okay. Let me just change. Go to composite and let's see. I will try to off the layer and see what difference it is. What difference I'm getting from here.
Fine.
See, this is the original my bottom layers.
Okay.
If I add this scratches, come. So this is overriding. Still, I'm not getting the proper result. So I've tried to change over here. No,
Okay.
we take dark or multiply. Here my system is actually not supporting me. Otherwise, it's gonna be really fast. I just have to click and scroll my mouse, and
Okay.
I can get different kind of result over here. You see,
Correct. Correct.
this
Correct.
you see now it's coming proper. No,
Okay.
multiply. If I switch to multiply, I'm getting this a proper result. You see over here,
Yeah.
some scratches, some dust.
Yes.
Again, see it's gone. So anyway, you try for with yourself
Okay.
the steps I had shown you.
Okay.
Here you have to try which option you are getting more better result,
Fine, sir.
more composite results. As a Photoshop, you change the mode and see which result you are getting more better.
Fine.
The same thing you have to do. It will not take much time. Just you have to
Okay.
click and scroll, and you can see a
Fine.
better result. Okay.
Fine. Fine.
Just try to do it on your computer. You will get more better result, and you have to repeat the same thing. Like I have click on the composite material over
Okay.
here, and just add a layer from here.
Okay.
Get a material, apply there. Like again, I will do over here. Add a new material. I will
Okay.
not use this one. Let's add the crack one now.
Okay.
Uh, See again, it got hanged. Actually, my SSD card is not working properly.
Okay, sir.
I have some SSD card installed on my computer, and I think that is not working properly.
Okay.
My SSD card has some issues. Anyways, I have some cracks. Let's see. This is the crack. I think. No, this is not the crack. This is the crack one. No? I have to
Okay.
scale it up a bit. You see these
Okay.
cracks?
Okay.
So I will try to implement this one. I just take this map over here. On my fourth one layer, I will just apply this. See again, it got hang. You see, it is override. No, I have to scale it up. It is the cracks are very small and tiny. No,
Okay.
so I just have to scale it up. So I'll go over here. This time try to use real scale.
Okay.
Just increase the tiling now. I think it should better that you should try on your computer, because see in tiling also I have to change multiple times and see how much which tiling is coming proper on my computer, my scene. No,
No problem, sir. I will try. You can guide me now.
yeah. I think it's better that you do it on your computer, because I have to wait a lot, and then if I'm not going to proper result again, I have to change.
No problem, sir.
You do it, and
Okay.
I will just help you with that. I will guide
Fine,
you.
sir.
Try to create this.
Fine,
Yes.
sir.
Let me go to task manager and see. CPU is 5. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Yes. Nice.
Okay, sir. I
Yes.
will
Correct.
create one more layer now.
Create.
Okay.
Create one more layer.
Okay. I
Can
will
you
take.
arrange it a little bit? It is going zigzag.
Yes, sir.
It is going zigzag. Yes.
That's okay,
Nice.
sir.
Nice. Better. Yes. Yes. Better. 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 Yes. Correct. Yes. Hmm. Nice.
Okay. Now I will try to bring any one of them, sir. Besides
Yes.
this,
Yes. Yes. Try to get anyone. Anything. Anything. Second one.
correct, no, sir. Second one.
Yes. 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 Correct. Yes. Apply on your road. Apply on the road material on your road. Yes. So you will get the topmost map visible there.
Okay.
So
We
you
will
need
try
to
to change the
change the
blending mode.
blend. Yes. Yes. Blend mode.
Multiply or soft light.
Yes. Yes. You will get both of the texture, little portion of both the textures.
Fine, sir.
Yes.
So we'll, as of now, we'll take multiply, sir. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Now I will take the crack.
Apply that crack now. Yes. The crack one is really good.
Hmm.
The only thing is you have to scale a bit and yes. Yes. That one. A new layer. Yes. Apply that crack. Again, the blending mode you have to change. And the scaling thing you have to do a bit.
The scaling, how to do, sir? Same scaling.
Scaling. Go to that bitmap. Material editor. The bitmap. Yes. Double click on the bitmap. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Here you
And
see the tiling.
yes.
Yes. Tiling. Yes. 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 You have to reduce. I think reduce the tiling. Yes. So that it will be yeah, point 1, point 2, point 3. It will increase the size of the texture. Yeah. Yeah, see the texture, how it is, see the texture.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's increased, no?
It is
Yes.
increased. Definitely, it
Yes.
is increased.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now,
Uh, Go to composite and
and I will
change
try to change the blend mode.
blend mode. Maybe multiplier had worked that time. Change something else. Yes.
Average I've taken,
Average is taken. Yes, good, good. Nice, nice.
and darken. It will take a little bit more dark.
It will go into more dark, yes.
Yes, yes. And
Linear screen will give you more
color,
bright color.
color.
Yeah.
No, no. Yes, sir. Linear.
Linear screen type
Uh,
to take.
you want the screen, sir?
Yes, screen.
It'll make more bright.
More brighter, yeah. Don't take a screen then. Yes.
We'll go for linear dodge. No.
Yes. No.
Overlay.
No, 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 no.
Uh,
Difference, go there. Difference is there.
different.
Yeah, yeah. No, but it's giving more whitish tone.
Yes, yes, sir. The soft light. Shall we try?
Yes, see. Yeah, just zoom and see. You able to see the cracks over there on your road? Cracks is there, no?
Yes, sir. See,
Yeah,
these are the cracks.
yeah, it's come. On render it will
These are
come
the
better.
cracks.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. When you apply some displacement map also, now you will get a much better result.
Okay. Now, to control this visibility, we can control the opacity, right? We
Yes,
can reduce the
opacity.
opacity.
Yes, 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 yes,
Now,
yes.
say supposing say this is more. Okay,
Yeah,
for example.
yeah. So just opacity you need to reduce a bit. It's 100% before.
See now I can reduce this opacity, right? I can
Yes,
try, sir.
yes. Do it, do it, do it. Yes,
50% I have taken.
yes,
50% of this I have taken.
yes, yes. It is now less visible there. You see,
It is less visible now.
it is less
So
visible.
it should be 100%.
Yes. Yeah, cracks. You see now. You see the cracks properly.
Yes. Now I can see the cracks properly.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is better, I think.
Yeah, this is coming better.
Okay.
So you get a nice rough road over here with the cracks and all.
Very natural looking road.
Yes, yes, naturally it is.
And
So,
how to settle
yeah,
it? Sir?
yes, yes, yes. You ask me what you want to ask.
Now this is the white color. Okay. Now the road. Okay. This is a concrete road, right? Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Understood. Sir. Understood. Okay.
You can
Now.
change the color. You see how I have changed the take the color collection to change the color and applied noise
Make,
modifier. Na?
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. The base material we can apply, right? Sir?
Yes, that
So,
you can do there. Uh,
uh, this is change material type, color correction.
Apply color correction and change make it a little darker.
Okay.
Hmm. Reduce the gamma and it will be more darker. You can apply noise to give a very
Ah,
interesting shade over
see
there.
now I can reduce this one color.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now where to apply the noise, sir?
You have to take two
One.
road map. One will be without color correction, one will be with color correction.
Okay.
Road map, the bitmap, the basic one that you took, na, the layer
Okay.
one.
Okay.
You have to take two bitmap, one with the color correction, one without color correction, and then for masking on both dark and white,
Okay.
apply noise map.
Okay. So this two, sir. This two I have to take.
Yes, yes. Make a copy of it. No, make a copy of the bitmap only. The road
Oh,
bitmap.
so this one.
This one. Yes, just make a copy of that.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
And this will be your original. That will be your basic, the base layer.
Okay.
And the color correction will come on top of that. That will be the
Okay.
second layer.
Okay.
And mask that with noise modifier.
Okay. So
Then
I
you
should
will get
tell
a,
them.
yeah, dark and light pattern you will get.
Now in this I can add one more and do the noise correction.
Yes, yes. Do it, do it.
This is 4. Okay. And for this material I have to apply, sir?
Yeah,
Noise?
that will be the base.
Okay.
Just see if you can move the layers downward. Just can you drag the layer downward, the layer right side? Can you click and drag? Click on the name, number 4, number 3.
Okay. I clicked it, sir.
No, no, no. They click and drag it downward. I want number 4 to come down.
Oh, okay, okay. So number 4. Oh, sir.
You see right side there is a dot. There is 4 dots on right side.
Okay.
Yes, click and drag. Click on that dot and drag. Yes,
Okay.
yes, you got it. Now
That's
you
not
go.
come, sir.
Yeah, came my number 1 is none. Number 1 is none. See there?
Okay, okay.
It's shifted like that.
Okay, okay.
All shifted one step up. And
Okay.
the none you will get the base bitmap you will apply there.
Okay. This material now.
Yeah, that will be the base one, number 1.
O-
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay.
Yes, you got it. Okay,
So
so yes, ask me.
I'll take one more thing and I'll apply noise material now.
Noise will be the your this
Then
masking.
masking.
Masking. Just
Okay.
take noise and drag and drop on the mask.
Okay.
Take noise. Yes, bring over here. You see there after layer 1 there is a layer 1 mask on the on composite left side. Come left side composite material on left side composite
Okay.
material.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
There after
Okay.
layer 1 there is a layer
There's
1
a mask.
mask. Yes,
So I
drag and
should
drop there. Yes. Yes, perfect. You see there will be masking. You have to scale a bit the pattern, the noise pattern,
Okay, notch
the
button. I have to,
noise which I have. You have to just hmm, and you get a better result.
and this
If
also I scale it, sir.
yeah, if you're not able to see, yes, if you're not able to see, try to you can hide the above layer as well. You can work on one or two layers and you can hide above. Just click on composite.
Okay.
There is a eye icon left side. That's the name of the layer. The number
Ah,
4 is given. There is a eye icon left side, little bit left side.
little bit. Ah, here, sir. Ah,
Yeah,
right.
that is eye. You can off the layers. Yes, and you can work on just one or two layers. Yes, you see now you're getting proper
Nice.
result, no?
Okay.
Yes.